Hey guys, it's Grace Mom. Sorry. Okay. Hey guys, it's the fabulous MK. And we're going to be making slime. I'm going to skip all the rest of the stuff. And so I have to make a little bit more pink. We forgot to get the camera because we were in a hurry because my big sister's probably going to wake up. So she's probably going to wake up, so we have to hurry up and do this. But yeah, so I've already got started. I took a little bit of the pink and just keep mixing and mixing and mixing until it's all pink. Hi, Mama.
Hi.
Come and say hi. They're your people.
Look, they're your people.
Right now they are, but they're actually your people.
They're our people. We love them so much.
Come and say hi. Can you fix my gloves?
Sure.
And then this one. I need like a hair tie to like strap them down.
I think it was smart of you to use gloves.
Yeah.
I would have never thought of that.
Really?
Yeah.
I would have thought you would. I'm gonna take a little more pink because it's not doing a lot of stuff. There we go. And I'm still using the pink. Ah, I broke a piece. My gloves got stuck a little, so. There we go. That's a little better. Here's my big glob of pink. That was the pink slime. Now we're going to use the blue. Blue. I'm going to put the cap back on the pink. Pick up this big old thing of slime because we don't want it sticking to the plate. And get some. Oh, I didn't even think of that. Okay, I'm not thinking. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never made this one kind before. It might have a little pink in it, but the colors will go away with it. Oh my goodness. This will be the pink. The blue plate. We had a little bit of spill, but it's okay. Everyone has accidents every time. Yeah. Everybody has some accidents sometimes. I have enough blue on my plate. Oh, that was funny. Like, I have blue all over my gloves. I have to wipe off my glove. Oh, I love myself. I'm gonna take off this glove and taking off my gloves. Yeah, no, I'm gonna put on a glove. Sorry, guys. Sorry. A little sorry. I took off my gloves, but I wasn't thinking. So, you know, everyone has crazy times. Crazy times sometimes. My gloves are just like... Ah. I'm gonna add a little bit more blue. There we go. And we're almost done because I only have 2 more colors. Okay, the blue should be done by now. We might still have a little, but that's not mixed, but that's okay. That's okay. Okay, now we're gonna put the cap on the blue. Now I'm going to get the green, and then we have the purple. Sorry. Hey, Mom?
Yeah.
You done? Can you come and help?
What do you need?
I need some help.
With what, honey?
All of this. I
Well, you
have
need to
blue
mix-
all over my
All right,
gloves.
we'll mix that some more. See?
I-
It's not- Keep mixing.
Okay,
Do you
I
want a
had to
little
go-
bit of green in this one?
Yeah, you have to, I have one more color after that, so you have to pull some
need to split?
off. Yeah. And then you can use
Oh, I
this.
hate this stuff.
I'm sorry. Thanks for helping though. Yeah, a little bigger. You have to get a big old piece.
I mean, it's about equal size.
Yeah, that's good.
All right, so you need the green on that?
Yeah,
Just one drop?
yeah. Actually,
I
yeah.
think one's probably plenty. This is pretty potent. Now you want to make the other one. Where's your purple? Oh, it fell in here. Okay, so then you want to make a purple one and then you've made all the 4 colors? Okay.
Oh shoot, that.
Just keep doing it.
No, I have blue all over
It'll
my
mix, I
gloves.
promise. I promise. There's enough yellow in that and enough blue in that that it'll just make a deeper green. Yellow and blue make green. Basic color theory.
I need a little bit more.
Just keep mixing.
No, I need a little bit more. I didn't make the purple. Oh.
Purple's right there. Drop away.
Come and sit down with me.
I've got to do my blog.
Entertain them.
You're entertaining. Talk to them.
I
Tell them how
can't.
school's going. Tell them how life is.
Okay, so I'm still at the same school, Sacred Heart, and I like it there. It's really good. I like it at my school. I got a new teacher. I've never had her before. Her name is Miss Lee. Last year I had a teacher named Miss Lee and so my kindergarten teacher name was Miss Davis. Then it was Miss Lear for 2nd grade, and then 1st grade is Miss Lear. 2nd grade is this year, and her name is Miss Lee. And she is very, 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 very sweet. And she's very nice. So yeah, I'm happy I got her. And so yeah. So, yeah, I don't really know what to talk about now. I got a little bit of blue, trying not to get any blue in. It's supposed to make a darker color of green, but it didn't, so. Okay, I'm good. My hands have dried. Oh, that's a pretty purple. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that is one gorgeous purple.
I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. Hi again. I had to grab the rest of the colors. I have to grab some more purple though. Little bit more purple won't hurt anything. Ah. So yeah. I really like it there. I have a good time.
Lily.
And to Grandma and Grandpa, I hope this weekend,
Here, Lily.
to my Grandma and Grandpa, I hope this weekend I can come and see you, because I really miss you guys.
Lily.
So let's hope I can come out and see you. I have to make sure all of that is mixed. They're very pretty colors. And then the blue. I want to see what these all come to together as. I'm really curious. Because I've never made this slime before. Okay, I dropped a piece of blue. There we go. I'm gonna add a little bit more green. Green. Green, 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 green. There we go. That was a little too much, but everyone makes mistakes sometimes. And everybody makes mistakes sometimes. That's a really pretty green though. I do like that green.
Oh, careful.
You want to come and see Diddum? Diddum, come here! Come say hi to the camera! She's coming. Come here. Here, come and get up. Say hi. Say hi. No. Okay. Oh, okay, now you have to get down. Okay. Don't touch anything though. Ew! Yeah. I like how she says ew. Like it's a bad thing. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit of, we're gonna try and make them pretty colors. A little blue. There, blue. Okay, I got them. And then this one will be purple. That'll be purple. Okay. And a little purple. And then blue and the pink. And then pink and the blue. And purple and the blue. Okay. Now I'm going to have to mix them all again. Just give them a little bit more pretty. Ooh. It won't really do anything, but just give them a little pretties. A little bit of pretties, because okay. I'm gonna add a little bit. These are pretty colors. I am gonna add a little bit more pink though. And this is the pink. Because the pink isn't really a dark color and I kind of want it to be dark. And the more pink you add, the darker it gets. At least that's what they say. I don't know if it's a... Oh, you're gonna come and sit down? Don't touch though. Here, I'll help. Excuse me for 1 minute. Let me get this last one done. Oh, I like how this is. I like this. Let's see how much more slime is in our bowl. Just a little. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna help her. And so, this is it done. All of it done. And ta-da! Okay, I don't even know if this thing, is it still running? Or did it stop?
It's still running.
Okay, so here it is all done. We're gonna try and entertain you. How many more minutes was it? I was going.
Yes, that is blue. Look, there's blue right there too. Did you show them all your colors?
Yep.
Good job.
Okay, so now we are gonna put them all together.
That'll just make brown.
No, like, really?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're not. Don't put them together. Don't put them together.
You can just put them in plastic bags. No, Lily. No, Lily. You can put them in plastic bags separately. That's enough, Morgan.
No.
You can put them in plastic bags. Okay. Morgan. Just tell them that we'll link the recipe down below, and you need to sit
We
down.
will link the recipe down below. So yeah. Bye.